What are the units for each of the following if concentrations are expressed in moles per liter and time in seconds? Let's do part A first. Part A asks us to find the units for rate of a chemical reaction. So first, let's define what is rate of a chemical reaction. So the definition says that rate of a chemical reaction is the change in concentration of a given component, typically the reactant in a reaction, per unit of time. So let's illustrate this by an example. Let's say you have A plus B producing C plus D. The rate of this reaction is going to be the change in concentration of A, or delta A, divided by the change in time, or delta T. Here, the unit for concentration is moles per liter, and the unit for time is going to be second. Therefore, the unit of rate is going to be equal to moles per liter divided by seconds. So if we rewrite that, we'll have moles over liters times 1 over second. And we can further rewrite it as moles times 1 over liters times 1 over second. And when it's 1 over liters, you can rewrite it as liter to negative 1. Same thing, so 1 over seconds can be rewrite as seconds to negative 1. So overall, the unit for rate of a chemical reaction is going to be moles times liter to negative 1 times seconds to negative 1. And that's going to be the third option choice right here. So that's it for part A. So let's move on to part B now. So part B asks us to find the units for the rate constant for a zero-order rate law. So zero-order rate law says rate equals K. So because of that, the unit of the rate constant K is going to equal to the unit of rate. And the unit of rate we got from part A is moles times liter to negative 1 times seconds to negative 1. So that will also be the answer to part B, the third option. So that's it for part B. Let's now move on to part C. Part C asks us to find the unit for rate constant for a first-order rate law. So first-order rate law says that rate equals K times concentration of A. So if we rearrange this, we'll have K equals rate divided by concentration of A. And if we put the units in, we know unit of rate is moles times liter to negative 1 times seconds to negative 1. A unit of concentration is moles per liter. Now we know that there are certain things that we can cross out, so let's put them in a uniform format so it's easy for us to see what's similar and what we can cross out. So moles times liter to negative 1 times seconds to negative 1 can be rewritten as moles times 1 over liters times 1 over seconds. And similarly, moles over liter can be rewritten as moles times 1 over liters, like that. So once we're here, we know that we can cross out the moles, and we know we can cross out the 1 over liters like that, and we end up with just 1 over second as the unit of K. And again, 1 over second can be rewrite as seconds to negative 1 like that. So the answer for part C is going to be the second option right here. And so that's it. That's the answer for part C. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like our content.